Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Unemployment is a problem of many countries today. India is also one of them. Manpower is an economic asset, but at the same time, it is the liability of any country to provide its unemployed lot with the basic necessities of life, namely food, shelter, and clothing. The number of unemployed in India over the years has been increasing. Growing population is the main cause of unemployment in our country. Population becomes a hurdle in the growth of our society in all the sectors. Although an increase in the educated population of any country is always a blessing, but a large number of graduates in India are unemployed. Graduates in all streams are hunting for a job for them. The agricultural population has a regular employment for 4 to 6 months and then has a holiday for all the other practical purposes for the rest of the year. The income and the standard of living of farmers could have been raised considerably if arrangements are made to provide them employment in cottage and rural industries during the months in which they do not have work. Among many factors responsible for unemployment in India is our failure to make the best use of existing natural resources. Secondly, steep increase in population without any corresponding increase in income. Thirdly, it is due to the frequent wars that India faced, which destroyed human power and machine power. Fourthly, our education system only creates white collar jobs and the young children do not wish to do physical work. The central government has introduced a policy which aims at giving skill education to our youth, which will ensure them a job. They can have their own startups as well. Government has assured them financial support for this. We are focusing more on vocational and technical education. For this, we need to have an appropriate infrastructure which requires opening up of more such institutions and colleges. Curriculum also needs to be revised. Those subjects should be added to the course which have relevance to the current world scenario and requirement of workforce. There is no dearth of jobs for those who join such curriculum and are ready to work in factories, multinationals. Dependence on government jobs will have to be reduced. Agriculture is an essential industry in every country, but no nation in modern times has grown from agricultural pursuits alone. We still have the pressure of the population on land and agriculture. We cannot neglect other important industries. They need to be modern to grow. Any Indian industry today has to compete with the other similar brands which are popular and easily available, not only within the country but on international level also. Competition is big. The choice of people also determines the marketing of a particular indigenous product. Today is the age of global marketing any international or national product is also available online. Indian companies display their products online. Online shopping has become very popular and these companies bring product to their doorsteps. Stop and over.